How to use WhatsApp Web. Your guide to messaging on desktop. WhatsApp Web is a convenient extension of your WhatsApp mobile account, allowing you to send and receive messages from your computer's web browser. It mirrors all your chats and contacts from your phone, so you don't need to pick up your device every time you want to reply. Here's a simple guide on how to get started with WhatsApp Web. What you need: a smartphone with an active WhatsApp account. Your phone must be connected to the internet, Wi-Fi, or mobile data. A computer with a web browser, e.g., Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Safari, Opera. An active internet connection on your computer. Step-by-step guide to setting up WhatsApp Web. Open WhatsApp Web on your computer. On your computer, open your preferred web browser and go to the official WhatsApp Web address, web.whatsapp.com. You will see a QR code displayed prominently on the page. This code is unique and refreshes periodically. Open WhatsApp on your smartphone. For Android phones, open WhatsApp, tap the three vertical dots, More Options, in the top right corner, then select Link Devices. For iPhones, open WhatsApp, tap Settings, in the bottom right corner, then select Link Devices. Link a device, scan the QR code. On your phone, tap Link a device. Your phone's camera will open. Point your phone's camera at the QR code displayed on your computer screen. Make sure the entire QR code is visible within the frame. Once scanned successfully, your phone and computer will sync. Start messaging. Your WhatsApp chats will now appear on your computer screen. You can send and receive messages, view media, create new chats, and manage groups, just like on your phone. Key features and tips for using WhatsApp Web. Real-time sync. All your messages, both sent from your phone and your computer, will be synchronized across both devices in real time. Notifications. Enable desktop notifications in your browser settings to receive alerts for new messages even when the WhatsApp Web tab isn't active. Status updates. You can view status updates, but you cannot post new ones from WhatsApp Web. Media sharing. Easily drag and drop files from your computer to send them in chats. You can also download media received from others directly to your computer. Keeping your session active. WhatsApp Web sessions usually stay logged in unless you explicitly log out, or your phone loses internet connection for an extended period. Logging out. For security, especially on public computers, always log out. You can do this by clicking the three vertical dots menu in WhatsApp Web, then log out. You can also manage and log out from all active web sessions directly from your phone's Link Devices menu. Common issues and troubleshooting. Phone must be online. Your phone needs to have an active internet connection for WhatsApp Web to work. If your phone loses connection, WhatsApp Web will show a phone not connected message. Slow sync. If messages are slow to sync, check your internet connection on both your phone and computer. QR code not scanning. Ensure good lighting, a steady hand, and that the entire QR code is visible to your phone's camera. WhatsApp Web is a fantastic tool for productivity, allowing you to keep your conversations flowing without constant phone interaction. Give it a try and streamline your messaging experience.